Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Miss Tech. Struggling with those annoying Activate Windows watermarks? Frustrated that certain features are locked behind that activation wall? Or maybe you're just tired of those constant reminders to activate your Windows 10? You're not alone. Many users face the same issues, but don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to activate your Windows 10 with a product key. Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to a fully unlocked Windows experience. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button. Then, select Setting. Next, click Update and Security. From the list in left-hand side, click on the activation. If Windows is not activated, there will be an option that says Change Product Key. Click on it. Now, enter your product key in the space provided. You can find your product key in the confirmation email that shows you purchased Windows or on the box that Windows DVD came in. It's typically a 25-character code. Click on Next. Click on Activate. Windows has been activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.